Hi everybody, my name is Vanita and I am going to be starting a new video log to keep me accountable where I'm finally going to blend everything that I believe in, science and spirituality, backed in faith, evidence and intuition, food and magic, shadow work, healing work and light work, scientific experimentation. Yes, yes, yes. And that's what I'm going to be starting this new um, video log about. And I'm going to be just posting snippets. But I warn you, I'm going to go deep into my shadow work. And I've had some moments in my life, events and years and experiences that might trigger some people. But it's really important work. It's really beautiful work. And if you want to follow me on my journey, please do so. This is my intro post that's going to follow. It's pretty long, but I'm going to go there. I'm going to go there and it's going to be amazing. And it's going to be the beginning of this new journey. And I'm going to keep posting to just keep myself accountable. So if you want to follow along, I highly encourage you do so. I value feedback, comments, everything. And I look forward to sharing my journey with you. Bye.